My favorite feature about this bag is that you can actually place it right on top of your carry-on bag. I bought these in a set. They're so cute. We all brush our teeth, or most of us probably brush our teeth. One thing that I think is super important to have is hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Chloe, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel and welcome to another Shein haul. Only this time we're doing it travel style. I've wanted to film this video for so long, and I feel like now that the world is slowly starting to open up and I have a vacation planned for the first time in 2.5 years, that it was a perfect time to film this video. This video is not sponsored. Everything that I got I think is actually good stuff to bring with you on vacation and will make travel easier. I'm gonna share with you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into the haul. The first thing we are starting with is this travel makeup bag. You guys have probably seen these kind of bags everywhere, but I love this one because it's not too big. There's room for skincare, there's room for makeup, there's a big pocket on the back, and there's also a little hook so you can hook it anywhere. And on the inside too, there's also a bunch of pockets for Q-tips, for pads, for makeup remover wipes. Like, there's so much room in this bag. There's a little handle on the top, and I just think it's the perfect size for a small toiletry bag. Next, we have this passport holder. I definitely could have used this when I was in Europe on exchange, just because there's so much room in this holder. You could put several passports in here. I just think putting your important documents in a holder like this makes it so much easier to find, and you could fit this in like a small safe or something. So I just think that something for your passport specifically, and plane tickets and everything, can make traveling a lot easier. Next, we have this travel tote bag. This bag comes in so many different sizes. I would always check the dimensions of the bags on your flight to see if it's a personal item, a carry-on bag, or if it has to be a checked bag. But I think this size would be borderline between a carry-on bag and a personal item. One of the reasons I like this is because this bag is super thin, so you can fold it up and bring it in your suitcase and use it to carry stuff around while you are on vacation. It's perfect for putting like towels and stuff in, and the metallic color on it also makes it very easy to find. This would also be a bag that I would bring just in case I didn't have room for like souvenirs or something. It has pockets on the side, pockets on the front. My favorite feature about this bag is that you can actually place it right on top of your carry-on bag, but I think this makes transportation in the airport so easy. You can just put on your bag and roll around with it and take it off. So I feel overall this bag is pretty useful. One thing that I think is super important to have is a eye mask. I feel like an eye mask is one of the most basic things you can bring to travel depending on how long your flight is. This black eye mask is the one that I always use. There's a bit of padding so it goes over my eyes without directly touching my eyelashes, but it is just a blackout eye mask. It is so comfy. The reason I don't have it right now is because our family was playing Christmas games with it, so I think it might be buried in the basement. I need to go find it. Next, we have something that has completely changed the way that I pack, and they are packing squares. I always used to roll my clothing, but I feel like these small packing squares just make it so easy to keep all of my stuff organized. I can fit so much in these squares as well. So I feel like not only does it make your packing super efficient, but it also just looks nice and makes your suitcase look super organized. You can also get different versions of these bags, but this one has a laundry pouch specifically, so you can throw socks, undies, whatever clothes in here. Or you can get bags that are waterproof and you can put like wet bathing suits in them.
I just wanted to show you guys quickly how much stuff I was actually able to fit in a carry-on suitcase using packing squares. Right now I have about 5 pairs of pants, 5 pairs of shorts, a bunch of bathing suits, tank tops, dresses, sweaters. I also have 2 toiletry bags and a straightener. I feel like if you pack effectively, you can definitely have a carry-on bag last you at least a week.
Next, we have specific toiletries. So first I have these little mini shampoo and conditioner bottles. I bought these in a set. They're so cute. You literally just take the lid off, you fill them up. This one looks like it's specifically for lotion. You can take this little piece off to stop it from leaking. These ones are like perfect for shampoo and conditioner. And then this one is a little spray bottle if you needed to put in something to spray. I'm not sure what, maybe like tanning oil or something. There's a spray bottle as well. It also comes with a little mini funnel, a little scraper tool. These are perfect because it makes filling the bottles super easy. Something else that I got is this little tiny glass dropper. It's so cute. It's so small. I got this because I like to bring a little bit of self-tanner on vacation to make sure that my complexion is like even and everything. So I would put like a little bit of like the Isle of Paradise in here. You can really put anything that you want in here, but I think this little dropper is just so cute. Okay guys, next we have a little mini perfume bottle. I feel like this is super helpful because all of my perfume is over 100 milliliters. I can just spray a little bit for like a week into this bottle, bring it along, and just spritz away without having to worry about breaking a bigger bottle or not having perfume at all. So I feel like if you wear perfume, this is super handy. This, I feel like, is a simple one. We all brush our teeth, or most of us probably brush our teeth. So I feel like a toothbrush holder, oh, my toothbrush is in here. So I feel like a toothbrush holder is a must-have. Also, we have a toothbrush cover cap. So if you don't think a toothbrush holder is necessary, at least one of these small caps can go on your toothbrush, and that will just prevent your toothbrush head from touching gross surfaces. You just want to be able to differentiate your toothbrush from everyone else's. So these small little caps from Shein, I feel like, are super helpful, and they come in a bunch of different colors. So you can buy a whole package for you and your family. Okay guys, that is everything for this Shein travel haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are going on vacation or going to travel soon, I hope you have a super fun and safe trip. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.